know that the golden eagle is the second fastest animal in the world? The golden eagle is a powerful bird of prey known for its strength and hunting prowess. With a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet, it is one of the largest eagles in the world. These eagles can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour when diving to capture prey, demonstrating their incredible speed and accuracy. Golden eagles are capable of hunting a wide range of animals, from small rodents to large mammals such as deer, using their powerful talons and sharp beaks. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great distances. As apex predators, golden eagles are powerful and can outmaneuver larger animals when necessary. So, if you see a golden eagle, you should make a quick escape.